Okay, welcome to this episode of Scrapbook TV. So here I'm talking about, I'm using one of my page stories that I have created, and I created this about a year ago, and I'm now going to scrap it. And I'm just showing this as a way of how easy it is to, as you scan in photos, if you store them all on, so for example, I had these 3 photos, I scanned them in, and then I typed up the date and the journaling that I'm going to use, and now I'm going to turn that into a layout and show how easy it is to do that. So I'm just going to start by pulling in a paper from this Garden Mini, and this is free on the website. And you can see that when I pulled it in, it put it above this picture, so I'm just going to move that down to the bottom layer, and I'm going to rasterize it. Okay, and now I'm just going to take the photos. I'm going to make sure that I have auto select selected. I'm also going to show the transform controls so that if I want to turn a photo or make it smaller, I can do those things. So let's see here. I want this one to be my main photo. And this one I'm going to make smaller. Okay, so for now, I'm just gonna kind of put them here. I'm gonna go down here to my bottom, and I'm just gonna pull in some more of the kit. And it makes it so nice because I've got everything here. So now it's just the creating part, which I don't know about you, but when I'm in the mood to scrap, I don't want to worry about scanning in photos and trying to remember the journaling. There's a time and a place for that. I love to just be able to scrap and create when I'm ready to. I love this little frame here. I'm going to turn it sideways. I'm going to move it on top of this photo. Add a shadow to both the photo and the frame. And this can kind of cover up some of the picture there because it's not really hiding anything important. The main important thing that I'm getting is my cute little girl eating all those tomatoes straight out of the garden. So and just like this, I'm going to continue scrapping and moving things and adding shadows. Put this under the picture. And then for my text, it gives me that error because I had originally typed this on a different computer with different fonts, but since I was just using a standard font, it wasn't anything that I needed to worry about. What I'm probably going to do with this is I always like to put my date in a separate place. So I'm just going to copy that, or actually I'm going to do Command X and take it away. And I'm going to change this color to more of this dark gray so that it blends just a little better. And I'm going to do it smaller. And change that over here. Okay. And then as you recall, I had saved. I can just do Control V to bring up the date. I'll change the color with that as well. Okay, and now I'm just going to finish scrapping the page and add a few more elements, but basically you get the idea. This is how easy it is to turn one of your page starters into an actual layout, and once you've organized them this way. And then you can finish scrapping them whenever you have the time. Thank you for joining me.